Hey guys, I just came back from H Mart because I have been craving Korean food. Thanks to Mommy Tang on YouTube. She is a vegan mukbanger. But anyways, every time I watch her videos, I want to eat whatever she eats. So I went on a mission to go grab some ingredients for two dishes that I recently watched her eat. So in this video, I'm gonna do a small little haul and a taste test of the cold spicy Korean noodles. What I got for one of the dishes that I'm not gonna be making in this video is the tofu soup. For that one, I bought some green onions, cilantro, soft tofu. So these three items are for another video. What I'm gonna be trying today is the Korean spicy cold noodles. There are so many different brands. I couldn't find the exact one that Mommy Tang used, but I ended up going with this one. And what I love about it is that it is so quick to make. All you need to do is boil the noodles in the water for 40 seconds, put the sauce packet on, and enjoy. And I'm all about quick fix. I'm gonna be making this once I finish doing this haul. Another Korean favorite dish of mine is jjajangmyeon, which is the black bean noodles, and this is the instant version. I've tried many different brands and this one is my favorite one. It doesn't compare to the freshly made ones, but I'm all about the quick fix and this one does the trick for me. And I just noticed at Costco they sell these by the case. I hesitated to buy it, but I think it's a little bit too much because I'm the only one at our house that actually eats it. So a small pack for me will last a while. Now the next items are all side dishes, and that's the dangerous thing. You don't shop when you're hungry. Take it from me. I do it all the time, and especially at Korean markets, they always have that table that have already ready to eat prepared food. And they're all pretty much side dishes, which I love. I could get full off of eating just side dishes. You always end up picking up more food than you should when you're hungry, so don't shop when you're hungry. The side dishes I got: pickled radish. I typically would buy the long log and cut them myself, but again, I'm the only one in my house that eats this, so I figured I'd just get a small container. This is pickled kimchi radish. This one is obviously a different version of this radish, but I love both of them. They're both very crunchy. Tteokbokki. This is the Korean rice cake in a spicy creamy sauce. And the last item I got was their kimbap, which is like Korean sushi. All right, let's get to boiling. So Mommy Tang recommended this brand. I think it's pronounced Pulmyeon. I don't know if that's correct, but it came with 2 packs of each. There's the noodles. I think this is the broth, and then spicy sauce with, I'm guessing, sesame oil. So the directions, all it is boil these noodles for 40 seconds and then top it with these packets. They look like rubber bands. Then she suggests to have a bowl of ice water ready to shock the noodles, because again, this is a cold noodle dish. You can tell these noodles are gonna be real chewy. Don't mind my backdrop, it's still up for my New Year's Eve party. I still need to take it down. But okay, I have everything in front of me. I got my kimchi pickled radish. I got regular pickled radish, the rice cakes, tteokbokki, and kimbap. I transferred my cold noodles. I drained it from the ice cold bath. It looks like buckwheat noodles. And then I have my sauce packets right here. But I want to try these noodles without the sauce first. Very chewy. They're very thin. They're like angel hair. It tastes like buckwheat noodles, like Japanese cold soba noodles. But now I have to put the sauce packet. So this one's a spicy, I believe this is sesame. And it says it comes with a broth, which I'm not really familiar with. But I'm gonna put it all and follow the directions. It's a lot more soupier than I imagined. I might have got the wrong noodles. We're gonna do it anyways. It's like this. Okay, Mommy Tang explained her chopsticks like legs. To mix noodles, you're gonna poke it, spread it, pull up. Poke, spread, pull up. Poke, spread, and pull up. Her noodles wasn't soupy. I don't think I was supposed to get the broth one, but I'm sure it's still good. Or I'm wondering if I even could have done away with the broth. I'm no mukbanger, but I do want to do a taste test with you guys. Don't wear white. First bite and I splashed it all over. Oh, the spiciness is perfect. It's a little sweet. And it tastes like a cold soba noodle dish, but spicy. I'm not sure how much taste the broth provided for this, but you definitely taste the, almost like gochujang, the spicy Korean sauce. Would I buy this again? I definitely would, but I think I might want to try a different brand. There was a variety of them and I had no clue what I was doing. I was staring at the wall of noodles for a good 5 minutes and they all pretty much says the same thing, but of course I can't read Korean, so I was just reading whatever English words there were. Pickled radish, very, very crunchy. Love this. They always have this as a side dish at Korean restaurants. This one, sometimes I see it there, and when I do, I get really excited because I love this. You hear how crunchy it is? Mommy Tang also explained that Koreans love texture with their food, and I do as well. That's why I think I enjoy Korean food so much. So these noodles are very elasticy, like a rubber band. The daikon is very crunchy, and then the rice cakes, they're pretty much mochi. They're very chewy, slightly sweet and spicy. And Korean style sushi is what I like to call it. They're kimbap, which is filled with a bunch of vegetables and fish cake. I think it would be good if I dipped it in the sauce. That was a big bite. Like I said, I'm no mukbanger, so I'm not gonna eat my entire meal with you guys. I just wanted to do a little taste test, and I just want to share with you guys something new that I'm trying today. Again, I would buy this again, but I do want to experiment with other brands and see which one I like the best. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!